Okay, they pick it up, Shane, so that it stands up, kind of.
Yeah.
So the weight is kind of more on the bottom. You can see that it's tilting,
Yeah.
right? That's why they call this tilt-up construction, because they tilt the wall up, right off the slab. There we go. Now that probably, you know how much that weighs?
Like, I don't know, like 300 pounds?
Are you kidding me? Those cables weigh 300 pounds.
Those cables are so heavy.
50,000, maybe
Oh my
60,000
God.
pounds. Actually, that one might be less than that. It's a shorter one.
Yeah.
I know where that one's going because I did the drawing. You see this little wall here?
Yeah?
It's going to go in between there. It's going back to the other big wall. Like there's a wall in between. I'm pretty sure that's where that one's going. Okay, you see those pipes hanging off of there?
Yeah.
Those are called braces, and that's what these things are here, because there's nothing holding this thing up. Okay, now these guys, you see they're all getting out of the way? You don't stand near that thing when it's getting moved around, because if something goes wrong...
If you stand under it, you're not going to want to...
No, you could get hit by those pipes, or it could come off. If it broke, something could break,
right?
right?
Oh my gosh, and then a huge slab of cement falling on you? Oh, jeez. Yeah, I don't know if you come back from that one.
So, like, we got here, and they were just hooking that up. That was just hooked up at the top. See where the lifters are? Yeah? That... I don't know exactly how long that takes, but not very long. They hook those things all up, and then they put it in place. And it's not going to take them very long, I don't think. So he's turning it.
Gotta be really careful with this one. When you're turning it over.
No, that thing on the top just rotates. They just spin it around, see? And those guys, they've got a kind of a hard job. Those pipe braces, and you've got to actually, they're pretty heavy, eh?
That thing's like what? I don't know, 6, 7 times my size? The one that's the cement, the slab concrete?
Huh? No, those are panels on top. The slab is underneath all of that. You see there's 1, 2, 3 stacked up on top of each other. So
then, like you said, those are the panels right there, right?
Yeah. No, but Shane, what they do is they make a panel, and then they put this stuff on it called bond breaker, so that the next panel doesn't stick to it, and then they make another panel on top. So they got like 2 here, and there's 3 there, and there's 3 over there.
What are they smacking where I am? Specifically for my head, they're smacking something else.
Oh, I don't know exactly what they're doing, Shane. They're probably putting the braces on for the next one. Yeah, they are. See, that guy's picking it up. He can barely hold it. See how heavy it is? They're heavy, Shane. That's a big guy. That's not a little guy. That's a big guy. They probably weigh about 150 pounds, 100 pounds at least.
Yeah.
Probably some of them more than that. They see, they've almost got it in now, right? So all that's left for them to do is, see those braces? They're pulling them out. Look how many guys it takes.
Wow.
They have to get those braces to a certain point on the slab. Look at me here. It's got to go to an exact spot. It's got to go to a spot so it's at the right angle. And they got to make that thing so it's square. And then they bolt them down to the slab. Right? That's how it works. And then when the building, once they've put the roof on and everything, all these braces get taken down. And that's a hard job too, because those things are heavy. They use them over and over and over again. Okay, I'm going to stop our video, I think. So already.